stop everything what you dey do. This week for Nigeria, power shake. Foreign soldiers land again. Oil money system don't change. And Africa, they quietly enter electric future. So if you blink your eyes, you feel miss wetin dey shape our future. Welcome to Pidgin Point News, and I've been a person. My name na Lady BK. For this place, we no dey fear headline. We dey break am as he dey. So, this big story for this week be say Nigeria and German strategist talks. It means say our old president Bola Tinubu and German Chancellor, when his name be Friedrich Merz, they hold serious conversation. And the conversation not be just ordinary phone call, but they talk things when they're very important and things when we improve our country. They talk about national security, electricity and power projects. They talk about infrastructure growth. They also talk about industrial development. This move shows say Nigeria dey strengthen ties with Germany as regional security tensions still dey rise for northern part of Nigeria. So this diplomacy na very high level. This one bring us to the military when arrive Nigeria this week. The United States don send another 100 additional military personnel come Nigeria. Before una panic, make una no panic. They not come fight directly. Their mission be say na to train Nigeria troops, provide adversary support, and strengthen counter-insurgent efforts. As northern insecurity still dey challenge the nation, the partnership fit boost operational capacity. Security game dey involve small for Nigeria, and we hope make all these insurgents make them end once and for all, so that our people go get freedom, take go back to their farm and to their houses. So the real gist for this week be say oil revenue don dey shake up small. Government they announce say oil and gas revenue must now go directly into the federation account, not beside arrangement anymore. What did this one mean? This one means say if it increase transparency, if it improve allocation to states, and if it strengthen national revenue control. If limitation solid though, this one now major structure shift for Nigeria economies. We know our people now, they go find how one or two ways to stay block one or two things because they want their own for inside. Anyway, Nigeria go better one day. So my people, this one bring us to the Naira holding strong. According to the report from Reuters, the Naira they remain strong against the dollar due to the improved FX inflows and foreign tides. So what did this one mean? This one is very important. It means say import cost fee reduce, investor confidence fit increase, and market stability fit even improve. So even currency self confidence go return small. So the big thing when they happen for Africa now be say Africa don dey enter electric future. Nigeria and Kenya they lead African electric vehicle expansion. Reports from AP News show say local assembly of electric vans don't begin using Chinese EV case. The plan be say include this their solar power charging stations and local production. It means they're going to produce local electric car for Nigeria. And this one, if it go reduce fuel dependence, and we're not going to get all this go slow for roads, it go still reduce, people, when we say our people life go improve. Now to just find money to buy electric car, then life go improve for a lot of Nigerians. So Africa self, they no one carry last for this global clean energy race. My people, before we go, make I tell you now the peace and security dialogue will still happen this week. Nigeria also launched new security and defense dialogue with the European Union. Their area of focus be say terrorists and the regional instability and the crimes. So international cooperation, they expand small. So my people, this not be ordinary week. A lot of things happen this week, but we just bring the most important one when we feel say it go dey okay for our audience to know wetin dey happen for our country and wetin go happen for future. So this week, diplomatic door they open, security partnership it happen, oil money structure don't change, currency they show resilience also, and Africa they build electric future quietly. This one na geopolitical movement, and it dey happen for our lifetime. So my people, if you like this update, share, subscribe, and press the notification button so that whenever we bring the update, you go be the first person to receive am. So Nigeria now our own, we not get where we dey go, and we go make this country better for our old time. So my people, Pidgin English, we not dey just report, we dey contact the dot. Thank you. Stay safe and stay informed. Good night.